If you run a business, email can quickly turn into a job of its own. Imagine having all of this in your inbox: clients' emails, newsletters, receipts, notifications, and random subscriptions you even forgot you signed up for. And somewhere in between all of that are emails that you actually need to answer. So today I want to show you a tool that I've been testing called SaneBox. Basically, it uses AI to organize your inbox for you without making you switch to a completely different email app. Because honestly, that is what got my attention. I don't want another inbox. I want an app that helps me manage my existing one. So what is SaneBox? SaneBox connects to your existing email account and starts learning which emails are actually important to you. There's nothing complicated to install, and it works with email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, and others. The idea behind it is simple. The important emails that I need stay where they are, but the less important emails get organized separately. So you can actually focus on what matters when you open your inbox. So let me show you through it and a few features that I think are super important. First things first, I'm going to show you exactly how you connect it to your existing inbox, and that one is very easy to do. So we go to SaneBox, you allow everything, log into your account, and then I'm going to use it for work. Now it is gathering the information about the emails in my inbox, and it will be completed in less than a minute. So the main feature we're going to talk about is Sane Later. This is probably the easiest way to understand what SaneBox does. So emails that SaneBox consider less important can be moved into the Sane Later folder instead of cluttering your main inbox. Maybe it's a newsletter, a promotional email, a notification, something that I do want to keep, but I don't want it in my main inbox. And if, for example, SaneBox puts something in the folder that I don't want it to, you can train it. So if an email should have been important, you can move it. And over time, SaneBox learns from those decisions. So instead of me sitting there creating 50 different email rules, SaneBox helps me organize everything. And over time, again, it gets used to which emails are important to me, which are not, and it knows exactly what to put in those folders. Then we have Sane Black Hole. If there's a sender that I just don't want to hear from again, I can add it to Sane Black Hole, and future emails from that sender are going to be dealt with. So instead of unsubscribing, and figuring out why do I keep seeing these emails, you can add it to the Sane Black Hole, and then you can stop seeing emails from that person, from that sender. Then a great tool for business is Sane Reminders. Sometimes the problem isn't that you forgot to reply to an email. Sometimes it is that the other person forgot to reply to you and you want to send a follow-up. You can ask SaneBox to let you know when somebody forgot to answer your emails. And for business emails, this can be incredibly powerful because maybe you emailed a client, maybe you had a project ongoing and the person just got flooded with emails and didn't respond back. This is so important because the follow-up can keep the project going. Another one that many people need is do not disturb. And if you're taking time off, trying to focus, or simply just don't want emails appearing for a certain period of time, you can temporarily hold them back. Then they arrive when you're ready. So you're not missing anything, you're just deciding when emails get your attention. And then there is Email Deep Clean. This is for the inbox you've had for years and are even scared to look at or even forgot about. Old emails, promotions, newsletters, notifications, things that are taking up storage that you don't need anymore. Deep Clean helps you go through unnecessary email in bulk so you can clean things out much faster. Then you can use SaneDigest to get a daily overview of your emails and see what SaneBox has actually been organizing for you. You can quickly check what did it move, is everything going where I want it to, do I need to train anything differently, and then the system gets more aligned with how you work. So why do I think that SaneBox is so important, especially for business owners, big or small? Whenever you're opening your inbox, you are focused on doing something. You're focused on doing a certain task. And then you open your email and you see hundreds, tens of emails that you can't deal with just yet because it adds to your mental overload. So you have to decide, is this important now? Should I add it here? Should I add it here? But if you do these settings beforehand and just check every now and then if everything is done right, then you won't have to be overwhelmed every single time you open your inbox. So SaneBox is literally just trying to remove all that sorting work before you open your inbox. This way you can spend more time responding to the right people and doing the work. So if your inbox feels cluttered and unorganized, I really think that SaneBox is worth testing. Now, you can try SaneBox for free for 14 days. And with my link in the description, you get $25 off a SaneBox subscription if you decide to keep it after the trial. So try it with your actual inbox and see how much easier email feels after this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!